enjoying the hotel life, though. I'm not even gonna hold you. I mean, housekeeping service, free breakfast. I mean, what more can somebody ask for? Free Wi-Fi? I mean, hello. What's up, you guys? I know you're wondering why I have the background that I have right now. Yes, I am in a hotel room. And I'll tell you why. We are currently getting our bathroom renovated and, you know, knocking out all the old toilet, the shower, everything. So we need somewhere to use the bathroom and take a shower, obviously. And we only have one bathroom in our house. We live in an old house. And so there's only one bathroom in there. So, of course, I use my connections to get us this fabulous room for me and my fam. That is one of the greatest things about working the job that I have. Work for Hilton and have been almost for 11 years in September. And one of the greatest joys of working with them is that you get discounts, and I mean significant discounts. So it's easy for me to just get a cheap hotel, and for whatever reason, girls' night, road trip, vacay, you name it. So it's been a great joy having that benefit for so long. So yeah, that's why I'm here. Been here for 2 days. We check out tomorrow though, hopefully, if the bathroom's done. Not so sure it's gonna be done tomorrow, but that's what the plan is. But you know, things change often. So this is the first time I've ever actually like experienced a renovation of any kind, because we regular folk, we just stick with what we got. You know what I'm saying? I figured I'd do like a before and after for y'all, so y'all can see what it looked like before and what it's gonna look like after. So I figured, why not just do a vloggeroo? Hello? Seize the moment. So I just took a shower, I'm feeling refreshed, and I'm gonna finish getting ready and putting my work attire on. Oh yeah, I didn't want to tell y'all about this. Sorry about the lighting. More lighting over here, but I don't have any of my filming equipment with me. I'm filming on my phone right now. Don't have my tripod. Didn't really intend to film anything, but then I was like, I need to film this. This is a perfect opportunity for me to do a vlog. So I don't have any of my equipment though. So this is what we're working with right now. But I do want to tell y'all about this. I'm not even about to try to pronounce that word. But this right here, I got it from Tik Tok shop. It is the Purifying Exfoliating Gel. Refreshing, cleansing, moisturizing, and rejuvenating. And this is supposed to help with hyperpigmentation, which I have a lot of. I have a lot under my arms, my neck area as well. So I just want to let y'all know that if y'all deal with the same situation or issue, this stuff works. I've only used it once, but the first time I used it, all you have to do is like rub it into your skin, make sure your skin is kind of damp at first, and then you rub it into your skin and it starts to break up the darkness, and you just wipe it off with a towel or a paper towel or whatever. It's super cool. I didn't think it was gonna work because, you know, not everything is what it's cracked up to be on video, but once you actually get it, you see for yourself. And this was a doozy. So if you have hyperpigmentation anywhere on your body, this is for you. So I just want to put that out there, that this is good. This word, I can't pronounce it. I'm gonna go finish getting ready. I'm gonna try to finish a little bit of this documentary before I leave to go get something to eat and then head to work. But anyway, toodles. What's up, y'all? It's the next day. I have a busy day today. I have to, first of all, go to work, of course, later on. But before that, we have to stay a couple more nights at the hotel because the guy isn't going to be done by today, like he said he thought he would be, because he has to do a little bit more extra work on the floors and everything. So sorry for the rattling. I have like a cage back here. We have to stay at the hotel for a couple more days, and so I need to go back home. I'm heading to my house now to get some more clothes and some more things and my filming equipment, since I'm vlogging this whole experience. And then I also have to stop by the store because I forgot that I'm supposed to be making dip for the chips for my nephew's party today. My best friend, her little boy, Bo, it's his 1-year-old party, and I forgot I said I'd make the dip. So I have to go to the store and I only have to get two things, because the rest of the stuff I already have. So I'm heading to the store now, actually, and then I'm going to go home and make the dip, get my stuff. Then I'm going to head to her house for the party. And after the party, I'll be heading to work. So today's a little busy. It's a little busy on this Saturday, okay? But nonetheless, we're going to make the most of it. And of course, you guys are coming along for the ride. Let me talk to y'all about something real quick. So I don't know who watches House of Dragon, but I have been a little late on it. I've just now watched, last night I just started the episode for last week. I don't like to be late. I like to be on time with my TV. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm very passionate about TV, so I like to be on top of things, right? So I didn't even get finished with the whole episode because I needed to go to sleep because I had to get up earlier today. For any of you who watches House of Dragon, do you like it? Is it as good as Game of Thrones to you? What are your thoughts? I'd like to know, because I like it. I really like it. The writing is pretty good. But, I mean, obviously, spin-off shows are rarely as good as the original show it came from. But it's pretty close. I mean, I'm not going to say it's just as good. You know, it don't really stand up there with Game of Thrones. But I like it. It's a decent enough show for me to want to watch every week. I would say that. This riding is annoying me. I also have to take this thing out of my car today. And another thing. I've been really late on The Bachelorette. I have not watched Gen season at all. And for whatever reason, I was telling my friends the other day, I'm just like, I don't understand. I wasn't as excited for her season as I was the past seasons that I've watched. For whatever, I don't know why, but I just haven't been excited about watching her season. I don't know why that is, but that's nothing to do with her, because she was actually somebody that I liked. I liked her on Joey's season, so I don't know why my excitement just hasn't been there for her to watch her season. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna get into it because me and my friends have an annual, or not. Well, it's not annual, but you know, every time there's a finale for The Bachelor or The Bachelorette, we always watch. So we have a watch party and we have snacks and just make a whole deal out of it. So I have to get on it and watch it so I can know what's going on. So I'm a little behind on my TV. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I just want to show y'all what the bathroom is looking like right now. As you can see, the toilet is gone, and as well as the tub. That tub was a cast iron tub, which I had no idea, but I wasn't surprised because this house was built in the 1950s. So, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks like it's very bare. Got a lot of bareness going on, but work in progress. Trust the process, right? What's up, you guys? I don't know how many days have passed. I think it's been maybe 2 days. Yeah, I think the last time I checked in with y'all was maybe Saturday. Yeah, I think so. As you can see, I still have the same background I did the other day. I'm still in the hotel. The beloved young man who's working on our bathroom did not work over the weekend, so we are still in the hotel. But he didn't work yesterday. Today's Tuesday, by the way. He didn't work yesterday either because it was raining. So he's still doing the do, and we're here at least till a Friday. So we'll be here over a week. We've been here almost a week, but it'll be over a week by Friday. I am enjoying the hotel life, though. I'm not even going to hold you. I mean, housekeeping service, free breakfast. I mean, what more can somebody ask for? Free Wi-Fi. I mean, hello, a pool. So it's really not horrible, but I'm still spending money at the same time. I just want to get back on here and check back in with y'all since it's been a couple days, just to give you a little update. And I was able to go back home and get some more of my belongings. I actually have some of my camera equipment with me now, so now I'm like actually filming on my camera. Which I don't mind filming on my phone. It's actually more convenient to film on my phone when I'm in the car and stuff like that. Because obviously I don't want to take my camera everywhere, but it's also nice to film on my actual vlogging camera. I did want to hop on here and just let y'all know that life is lifing right now. The start of this week was very rocky. Just some personal things going on. We lost a coworker yesterday at my job. It didn't happen at my job, but he was a beloved coworker. I just want to have the kind of channel where I'm really transparent with my audience, because I don't want to make it seem like everything's all fine and dandy all the time, because it's not. And life's whether you're a aspiring content creator or whether you're just a regular person that has other hobbies, life is gonna life either way. And I want to be able to get on here and let you know when things are a little heavy, and they're really heavy right now. So I don't think I've ever cried on my channel before, but this is reality. I am currently getting ready for work. I still have a while till I have to leave, but I just wanted to get on here and check back in with y'all. Sorry for the emotion, but again, I just want to be transparent. And I think I'm gonna try to get a couple episodes of Suits in before I leave. That's the current show I'm watching right now for the second time. If you have not seen Suits, what are you waiting for? It's so good. It's such a comfort show. It's one of those shows that if you've watched it several times, it could be like a nice background show for you to watch, because it's just that show that it's like my little nook show. It's becoming one of those shows that I could just watch over and over again. And this is my only my second time watching it, so. But it's gonna be one of those shows I already know, like a Grey's Anatomy, Private Practice, just one of those comfort shows where you just it's just like so comfortable to just sit and kick your feet up, get some popcorn, a snack or something, and just relive it over and over again. So anyway, I'm gonna go do that, and I don't know when I'll check back in with y'all again. Probably to give you an update on the bathroom, hopefully the finished result. But we will see. We will see where this thing takes us. Toodles!